Which is the oldest school of Indian philosophy? A. Yoga. B. Samkhya. C. Karma. Mimamsa. D. Nyaya. It's B. Samkhya. Whom does the Gayatri mantra in the Rig Veda address? A. Indra. B. Varuna. C. Savitri. D. Agni. It's C. Savitri.
Who was called the Iron Man of India? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Bipin Chandra Pal. C. Surendranath Banerjee. D. Lala Lajpat Rai. It's A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who founded the Forward Bloc? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Ras Bihari Bose. C. Subhas Chandra Bose. D. Captain Mohan Singh. It's C. Subhas Chandra Bose. The remains of Vijayanagar Empire can be found in which place? A. Baroda. B. Hampi. C. Bijapur. D. Golconda. It's B. Hampi.
6. Who wrote Amukta A. Virnar Singha Raya. B. Harihara I. C. Krishnadev Raya. D. Bukka. It's C. Krishnadev Raya.
The American politician Mr. Donald Trump is from which political party? A. Democratic. B. Libertarian. C. Republican. D. Green Party. It's C. Republican. The American politician Kamala Harris is from which political party? A. Democratic. B. Libertarian. C. Republican. D. Socialist. It's A. Democratic.
Cauvery water sharing dispute is between which two states? A. Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. B. Orissa and Bengal. C. Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. D. Kerala and Tamil Nadu. It's A. Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Bharatnatyam dance form originated from A. Kerala. B. Orissa. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Tamil Nadu. It's D. Tamil Nadu. Folkwalking was authored by whom? A. Megasthenes. B. Fa Hien. C. Hiuen Sang. D. Itsing. It's B. Fa Hien. Where did Gautama Buddha deliver his first sermon? A. Sanchi. B. Bharut. C. Sarnath. D. Bodh Gaya. It's C. Sarnath.
In which part of India does saffron grow? A. Darjeeling District. B. Madhya Pradesh Hills. C. Jammu and Kashmir. D. Nilgiri Hills. It's C. Jammu and Kashmir.
The majority of India's saffron comes from Jammu and Kashmir, especially the Pulwama, Budgam, Srinagar, and Kishtwar districts.
The antibiotic penicillin is obtained from A. Bacteria. B. Virus-infected cells. C. Synthetic drugs. D. Fungus. It's D. Fungus.
In 1928, at St. Marius Hospital, London, Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin.
World Trade Organization was established in the year A. 1995, B. 2005, C. 2000, D. 1986. It's A. 1995. Community Development Program started in A. 1952, B. 1972, it's E. 1980, D. 1962. It's A. 1952. In which year the NATO was formed? A. 1956, B. 1949, C. 1966, D. 1959. It's B. 1949.
NATO stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Its headquarters is in Brussels.
The headquarters of United Nations situated in A. Washington, D.C., B. Vienna, C. New York, D. Paris. It's C. New York. Center State financial relations are looked after by A. Planning Commission, B. Ministry of Finance, C. Finance Commission, D. Sakaria Commission. It's C. Finance Commission. NABARD is associated with A. Rural Development, B. Urban Development, C. Development of Railways, D. Industrial Development. It's A. Rural Development.
For more informative videos, please like, share, and subscribe Mission GK.